Children, already we learned about saturated and unsaturated solutions. Now, we will discuss about the concentration of the solutions. To know about the concentration of the solution, we will do an activity. To do this activity, Nohita, Amruta, Kirti, come here. To do this activity, we need 3 glasses, sugar, spoons, measuring jar and water. Kirti, take 100 ml of water into your glass. Amruta, you also take 100 ml of water into your glass. Nohita, you also take 100 ml of water into your glass. Now Kirti, add half spoon of sugar into your glass and stir it. Amruta, you add 1 spoon of sugar into your glass and stir it. Nohita, you add 1½ spoon of sugar into your glass and stir it. Children, you 3 prepare sugar solutions. Kirti, how much sugar you added?
Half spoon, ma'am.
Amruta, you?
1 spoon, ma'am.
Nohita, what about you?
1½ spoon, ma'am.
Okay, children. In your solutions, solvent, that is water, it is 100 ml in your solutions. So, it is an equal quantity in your solutions. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
But the solute, that is sugar quantity, is different in your solutions. Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So, you prepare the solutions with same quantity of the solvent and different quantities of solute. Now, you say that whose solution is more sweet in these?
In
my
Nohita's
glass,
glass, ma'am.
Nohita, why your solution is more sweet?
I had more sugar in my glass than their solutions, ma'am.
You added 1½ spoon sugar. So, your solution has more solute than your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you have more sweet solution than
Yes,
your
ma'am.
friends. Okay. Now, say that whose solution is less than sweet?
In my
In
glass,
Kirti's
ma'am.
glass, ma'am.
Kirti, why your solution is less than sweet?
I added less sugar to my solution than their solutions, ma'am.
You added only half spoon sugar.
Yes, ma'am.
So, your solution has less solute than your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you have less sweet solution than your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, the concentration of a solution is a measure of the amount of solute in a given amount of solvent or solution. Now, children, Nohita has more sweet solution among your 3 solutions. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is more concentrated solution than others. Kirti has less sweet solution among your 3 solutions. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, it is less concentrated solution than others. Kirti, is it possible to change your solution concentration to the concentration of Nohita's solution?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you change?
By adding 1 spoon of sugar to my solution, ma'am.
Why?
My solution contains 100 ml of water and half spoon sugar, ma'am. Solution in Nohita glass contains 100 ml of water and 1½ spoon sugar, ma'am. So if I add 1 spoon of sugar to my solution, then both solution will have same concentration, ma'am.
Good, Kirti. Nohita, what will you do to change your solution concentration to the concentration of Kirti's solution?
The solution in Kirti's glass has 100 ml of water and half spoon sugar, ma'am. My solution has 100 ml of water and 1½ spoon sugar, ma'am. So if I had 200 ml of water in my solution, then both solution concentration will be same, ma'am.
Good, Nohita. Amrita, how can you equal your solution concentration to the concentration of Kirti's solution?
Kirti's solution contains 100 ml of water and a spoon sugar, ma'am. My solution contains 100 ml water and 1 spoon sugar. So if I add 100 ml of water in my solution,
Then both solution concentration will be same, ma'am.
Good, Amrita. So, children, I think you understand about this concentration of solution.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.